You're probably sitting there with your third cup of coffee staring at this massive pile of topics thinking, how am I supposed to learn literally everything? Same. We've all been there. But here's where things get interesting. The American College of Physicians, founded in 1915. The American College of Physicians is the world's largest society for internal medicine specialists, with a legacy of advancing medical education and patient care. With 161,000 members worldwide, they've created something that's going to change your study game. Their Internal Medicine Board Review Course recordings give you comprehensive review of every key topic taught by top ACP educators. The course covers every major internal medicine topic you'll need for the ABIM exam, from cardiology and endocrinology to infectious diseases and more. It's all here in one place. You'll learn from expert faculty, top educators from the American College of Physicians who break down complex concepts into clear, practical lessons. Imagine having access to hours of expert-led lectures, all organized by topic, so you can focus on your weak areas or review everything at your own pace. Every session is recorded in high-definition video and crystal-clear audio, so you never miss a detail. You can pause, rewind, and replay any session as many times as you need. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. And the best part, you can study anytime, anywhere, on your commute, at home, or even during a quick break at work. It's perfect for ABIM board prep, but also great for refreshing your knowledge and staying up to date in internal medicine. Whether you're taking the boards for the first time or recertifying, these recordings are designed for you. Here's what past participants have said. The ACP board review course was a game changer for my ABIM prep. The flexibility and depth of content made all the difference. Pro tip, set a study schedule, use the course's built-in quizzes, and join ACP's online community for extra support. And here's my favorite part. You can study anywhere, on the subway, in your car, at 2 a.m. during that classic pre-exam panic. Look, board prep doesn't have to feel like drowning. You've got this and you've got help. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. With ACP's board review course recordings, you're setting yourself up for success. Click below for instant access to the 2022 ACP Internal Medicine Board Review Course recordings. Start your ultimate board prep journey today. Click the link below to get instant access to the 2022 ACP Internal Medicine Board Review Course recordings.